Task number 9, conclusion, is the last task inside Java Essentials room in Cybersecurity 101 learning path. Congrats on completing JavaScript Essential room. We've covered important topics like the basics of JavaScript, creating our first JavaScript code and integrating JavaScript in HTML. Moving further, we discussed other interactive elements of JavaScript like prompts and how attackers can abuse them. Then the room highlighted the usage of control flow statements and how they can be bypassed in JavaScript. We then explored how to use minify and obfuscate a JavaScript file and learned the other way around. Lastly, we touched upon some best practices that you can follow to keep your web app safe from cyber threats. Keep learning and stay vigilant against security threats. Your journey as a JavaScript developer has just begun. Let us know your thoughts on this room. See you around, boy. Answer the question below. I have successfully completed a room. Amazing task. Very hard to do.